Welcome to Module 4, Day 4, April 30th, Literacy Classwork. Your work today is going to be in a Google Doc instead of Google Slides. Your objective is that you will be able to develop and strengthen your writing by revising and editing using the final draft checklist provided today. For your do now, we just want you to copy and paste a meme or a picture that demonstrates how this week went for you or how you are doing, and paste it into this space. Next, you need to open up yesterday's classwork, Module 4, Day 3, April 29th Literacy Classwork, and use the checklist in the document to revise and edit the paragraph that you wrote yesterday on Slide 8. For your final draft checklist, you need to make sure that you have done the following. I have explained what the 1918 flu pandemic was. Someone who doesn't know much about it could understand what happened. I have answered the prompt clearly and directly. How did the pandemic affect society? I have included at least 2 pieces of textual evidence in my paragraph. Each one of my pieces of textual evidence is introduced with a lead-in phrase. For example, in the article, The 1918 Pandemic That Killed Millions, the author explains that I have included 2 to 3 sentences of thoughtful analysis that connect to my topic and evidence. I have listened to my paragraph out loud and corrected anything that sounds awkward. I have checked my work for capitalization errors. I have eliminated all trash words like a lot, get, stuff, big, very, things, good, bad, etc. I have reviewed my work for formal tone, including contractions, slang, informal language, and sentences starting with well. I have done my best to use precise, interesting words to engage my reader. I do not have any first or second person pronouns like I, we, or you in my paragraph. I have run a spelling and grammar check, and all of my writing is in one professional, easy-to-read font. If you would like to cross the items on this list off as you go, select Format, Text, and then Strike Through. This will cross off the items on your list so that you can make sure that you've taken care of everything required. You don't have a mastery check today. Simply make sure that you've done your best work revising and editing your paragraph. Have a great rest of your day and a great weekend. See you on Monday nights.